One civilian and two home guards were killed, and more than 200 people were injured, and dozens of vehicles were set on fire as mobs in Haryana's Nuh and Gurugram districts tried to stop a religious procession by the Bajrang Dal and Vishwa Hindu Parishad on Monday. The deceased guards have been identified as Neeraj and Gursevak. 10 police personnel sustained serious injuries when a mob pelted stones on Gurugram police teams on their way to Nuh. All injured were under treatment at Medanta Hospital. As the news of the clash in Muslim-dominated Nuh spread, mobs in Sona in Gurugram pelted stones and set ablaze 4 vehicles and a shop belonging to people from that community. Protesters there blocked a road for hours. So, what exactly unfolded in Nuh? The Vishwa Hindu Parishad had organized a bridge Mandal Jal Abhishek Yatra on Monday, which was flagged off from Gurugram's civil lines by BJP District President Gargi Kakkar. A police contingent was deployed with the yatra. Police said the yatra was stopped by a group of men near Nuh's Khedla Mode and stones were pelted at the procession. Shortly afterwards, cars were also set on fire. According to reports, the clash was triggered by an objectionable video posted on social media by a Bajrang Dal activist in Ballabgarh. Police officers said that the violence began 10 minutes after the procession of around 200 people began to walk from Edward Chowk in Nuh town around 2 pm. As the group walked down the main road, it was allegedly pelted with rocks by a large crowd. The Hindu side initially fled but then allegedly regrouped and retaliated. Earlier, there were reports that the violence broke out after rumours spread of Monu Manesar joining the yatra. Manesar is a cow vigilant who was booked for the murder of 2 Muslim men whose charred bodies were found in Bhiwani district in February. However, Monu Manesar claimed that he did not participate in the yatra on the VHP's advice, as the group feared that his presence would create tension. Shortly afterwards, the violence in Nuh spread to Sona. Incidents of stone throwing, sloganeering and arson were reported during the violent protest in Gurugram. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 Criminal Procedure Code have been imposed in Gurugram. All educational institutes, government and private, have been ordered to remain closed on August 1st as roads have been blocked by anti-social elements to disturb peace and tranquility of society. Meanwhile, mobile internet services have been suspended in Nuh district till Wednesday, August 2nd to contain the intense communal tension. Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij said that the state government dispatched additional forces to Nuh from neighbouring districts. He added that they are trying to send forces using helicopters. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar appealed for peace, adding that the citizens should follow the principle of Haryana Ek, Haryanvi Ek. He added that the guilty will not be spared.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.